Hello guys, this is Dr. Chinmay and you're watching Med Talks India, where we talk about interesting medical facts in simpler ways. Today we are going to discuss about one of the most important topics of our health, that is diet. Before proceeding further, I must request you to give a like or dislike as per your perception for the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel to remain ahead in the world of health. So, what is a healthy diet? In this video, we will be discussing. First of all, let us see the recommendation of International Diabetes Federation for a healthy diet. What it says is we should choose water, coffee, or tea instead of fruit juice, soda, and other sugary beverages. At the same point of time, at least 3 servings of vegetables, including green leafy vegetables, is recommended every day. Similarly, 3 servings of fresh fruit every day is recommended. We should choose nuts, a piece of fresh fruit, or unsweetened yogurt as a snack. We should limit the alcohol intake to maximum of 2 standard drinks per day. We should choose lean cuts of white meat, poultry, or seafood instead of red and processed meat. Similarly, we should choose peanut butter instead of chocolate spread jam. Whole grain bread, brown rice, whole grain pasta it should be chosen instead of white bread and rice or pasta. Unsaturated fat such as olive oil, canola oil, corn oil, sunflower oil should be chosen instead of saturated fat like butter, ghee, animal fat, coconut oil or palm oil. Now, this list is actually comprehensive and includes almost everything, but the problem with the list is it is actually a qualitative list. It doesn't say anything about the quantity of the food or the distribution of the food in a plate. So let us discuss about the quantitative data. Now suppose this is a healthy eating plate that we use every day. So as this diagram represents, around 50% of the plate should be covered with vegetables and fruits, 25% should be covered with whole grains, and 25% should be covered with healthy protein, along with moderate amount of healthy oil and water. Now, let us discuss about the vegetables and fruits. As I have already told you, around 50% or one half of your plate should be covered with vegetables and fruits. Among vegetables, green leafy vegetables are more preferred, and we should avoid the vegetables like potato because they are very rich source of carbohydrate or starch, which is not very good for us. Similarly, the fruits which are rich source of fibers should be preferred over other very sweet fruits. The next most important aspect of our plate should be the whole grains. The whole grains should cover around 1/4 of our plate, which is around 25%. The grains such as wheat, barley, wheat berries, quinoa, oats, brown rice, etc. are preferred, and the foods made from them are actually taken. Why we should choose whole grain over the refined grain? Because the whole grain is made up of 3 parts. First part, that is bran. It is the outermost coating of the grain, which is a rich source of fiber and B vitamins with minerals. The middle part is endosperm, which is a rich source of starchy carbohydrate with some proteins and vitamins. And the core of the grain, which is also called as germ, it is a nutrient packed core which contains B vitamins, vitamin E, phytochemicals and healthy fats. Unfortunately, the refined grains are devoid of the bran and the germ. That's why you can very well understand why the whole grain is preferred. Then coming to the next part or the next most important part, which is protein. It should cover around 1/4 of your plate, and the healthy protein should include fish, poultry, beans and nuts, etc. We should avoid red meat and processed meat such as bacon, sausages, etc. Now, the healthy plant oils should be actually consumed in moderation for a healthy life. The healthy oil recommended are olive oil, canola oil, soy, corn, sunflower, peanut oil, etc. Along with that, rice bran oil, the mustard oil are also good for us. We should avoid consumption of partially hydrogenated oil like the banaspati and saturated and trans fat oil like the ghee, etc. Now, the most important point to note here is that low fat doesn't always mean healthy diet. Healthy fat means healthy diet and unhealthy fat means unhealthy diet. Then comes the next most important aspect, which is the drink. Our drinks should include water, coffee, tea, etc. But they should be devoid of sugar, or the sugary drinks should be avoided. We should limit the consumption of milk and dairy products to 1 or 2 beverages or servings per day. Now let us discuss about the most important points of this video. The type of carbohydrates. Now the important point is the type of carbohydrate is more important than the amount of the carbohydrate. Similarly, we should always avoid sugary beverages because it is considered that these sugary beverages are actually responsible for the global pandemic of diseases like diabetes. At the same point of time, healthy oil should be used and there is no maximum limit as per calories because they should be used in moderation, and polyunsaturated and monounsaturated oils are preferred. Let us discuss briefly what is healthy for us. The base of the health or dietary pyramid is based on our physical activities, daily exercise and weight control, and healthy diet. The bulk of the healthy diet includes vegetables and fruits, healthy fats and oils, and whole grains. We should include the healthy proteins that has got 2 sources. One is plant source like nuts, seeds, beans and tofu. Animal source such as fish, poultry and egg. We should include moderate amount of dairy products like 1 to 2 servings of milk or milk products with multivitamin and vitamin D or calcium supplements. The food that we should limit or avoid are red meat, butter, refined grains like white bread, rice and pasta, sugary drinks and sweets and salts. Alcohol consumption should be limited to max 1 to 2 servings per day. That's all for today. Take care, be healthy and keep smiling. Thank you.